Using the fact that the derivative of sine is cosine, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, and cotangent is equal to cosine over sine, we can try to figure out the derivative of cotangent. So if we want to figure out the derivative of cotangent, we can write cotangent in this way. And from here, we can use the quotient rule. And remember, the quotient rule says the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom function, all divided by the bottom function squared. So we get this, the derivative of the top, derivative of cosine, times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom function, which is sine, so the derivative of sine, all divided by the bottom function squared, so the derivative of sine squared. What is the derivative of cosine? It is negative sine. What is the derivative of sine? It is cosine. So plug these in, we get this, negative sine, cosine, coming from here. And now, notice there's a negative on both of these, so we can factor out the -1. So we get this. And what is sine squared plus cosine squared? Well, it's equal to 1, so we can put the 1 here. And what is -1 over sine squared? Well, another way to write this is as negative cosecant squared. So cosecant squared is the same thing as 1 over sine squared. So therefore, we can say that the derivative of cotangent, because this was cotangent, so the derivative of cotangent is equal to negative secant squared.